Good morning, everybody, and welcome done any number of times is welcome in an Indian culture. So, though I have welcomed you yesterday, uh, I'll begin on a different note. In 1972, there was one famous meteorologist some would have heard of, Michael Halley. He had written a paper that if there is a difference in the data of 5 and 6 digits of decimal, the meteorological predictions go 360, 180 degree. That is the level of accuracy, and medicine cannot be out of that. So I think we have to go beyond that number of cases done and patients were alive at the end of surgery. We have to inculcate in youngsters the sense of sensitivity on, and I am trying to implement that India has a tremendous, covered the distance of robotic surgery tremendously in a hurricane speed. In our lifetime, we have seen from open transition to transurethral resection to upper tract endourology. But according to me, word over, the penetration of robotics is faster than cell phones, if I'm right to say. So we have done that, but now we have to grow to the different level. And I am looking forward to your contribution for maintaining meticulous follow-up, because that's what world is dying to see. I would like to take this opportunity to thank, though Mr. Vatikuti is part of it, but for his vision and freedom to do what I want to do. The Robotic Surgery Council or Robotic Fraternity would not have been where it is. So I really take this opportunity to publicly thank him for supporting the cause of robotic surgery in India. I am also thankful to Scott Magnuson, Dr. Harkins, I hope he has arrived, and Khurshid Ghani. And one has to really believe that what is the opportunity cost of their time, and they, at a single clarion call, they accept the invitations of the foundation and they come here. I really appreciate your passion for teaching and running from morning to evening master classes and here and then going. I would thank Dave Rosa, and he confessed yesterday in a personal conversation that they had a different priority, so they didn't look at India. But now, at least you guys should take a credit that you have focused Intuitive's total beam on Indian market and Indian development. I thank all of you for cooperating with us. Let me tell you, we were very rude in asking you for the presentations before submission, but we had to go somewhere. I apologize from 48 people, we could not accommodate their abstracts, but this is also a happy sign for them that the level of presentations here is going up. This time we have 2 halls, parallel running after this session, and we have, otherwise always we would have enough time for everybody to be accommodated, and we encourage it. So now we are going into the mode of what you call natural evolution of what we were doing to the quality presentations. And we would, most of you are in touch with me. Please, this meeting has no format. It is evolved because of your feedback. And my team, which has worked very hard in the United States and here, it takes almost 5 to 6 months to really plan a scientific program. The logistic team has done a great job. So I think rather than thanking, I really appreciate, I do nothing except for traveling here and there. So thank you very much, and welcome you, and I hope you enjoy, and we look forward to feedback to better our records on what we do. Thank you very much.